It looks like further additional progress for the Fed. We'll have to get the data from Jay Powell later, but the CPI comes in up not at all, flat for the headline number. The forecast was for 0.1. That's after 0.3 last month. The core comes in up 0.2, which is lower than the 0.3 that was anticipated. That puts the year-over-year numbers at 3.3% for the headline, down a tenth from 3.4 last month, and 3.4% for the core on a year-over-year basis. That's 0.2 lower than 3.6 last month. So all in all, the headline numbers are pretty good. Let's take a look at what we're seeing in terms of some of the major categories here. Food up just a tenth. Food at home, which has been sort of a campaign issue out there, 0.0. So flat for food. For energy, energy overall down 2%. Gasoline prices down 3.6%, and natural gas down 0.8%. So good news there. New cars prices down 0.5%. A lot of focus on used cars, which were up 0.6%, but new cars have double the weighting in the CPI of used cars, so that's a significant drop. Motor vehicle insurance, which has been rising and has been huge, goes down 0.1%. And then for shelter, up 0.4%. Rent of primary residence up 0.4. No change there. Owner's equivalent rent up 0.4. So the rent sides stay about where they have been for the last few months. No real progress there. The one thing I will say is if you look back to what Chris Waller was saying a couple of weeks ago, he has to look out to 3 digits to see what the real changes are in the CPI, and so we'll look for those as well.
Mike, what jumps out for you now?
Well, one of the things, of course, that the Fed has been looking at is supercore, which is services less energy. And supercore comes in much lower than it has been at this point. It is up just 0.4% for a month-over-month basis. And on a year-over-year basis, we're up 4.8%. That's down only fractionally. So there's still some inflation on the services side that the Fed is looking at. But some of the services things that we have been worried about, like airfares, have not gone up. As a matter of fact, airline fares down 3.6%. Your surveillance co-anchor Anne-Marie probably got a discount on her trip to the G7. So that's good news.
So, Mike, can you give us a sense, as you're a Fed watcher and an econ watcher, how you think this is going to filter into what we hear later today?
Well, I think it's going to probably reinforce what most of the officials came into the meeting with, the idea that inflation is going to continue to fall. They may not have put the exact numbers on it, but I don't think this changes anything in terms of anybody's view of how many cuts they're going to put into their dot plot. It does make the idea of changing their forecast for the PCE, and remember, CPI runs a number of basis points above PCE, but changing that forecast, revising it up, maybe that makes it a little bit more difficult. But it's an interesting question for Jim Bullard because he's been in that room. It's rare that we get data this important on the day of a Fed meeting, but I know they can change their views for the SEP and the dots up until about mid-morning.